On many tropical reefs, the white-tip reef shark is the dominant force. They patrol the shallow water, mostly at night. White-tips are superbly adapted hunters. Unlike many other sharks, they can breathe without swimming. Long, thin bodies allow them to scour the reef for food. It's a constant search. When prey like a moray eel is found, white-tips are masters at extracting them. Moray eels get big, with one species reaching 11 feet long. They lurk among the reefs and hide in crevices, launching snatch and grab attacks from their rocky layers. They bite with enormous force, and almost anything is fair game. White-tips and eels coexist on the reef. But divers in Indonesia witness an extraordinary incident. A huge moray eel turns the table on a lone white-tip that strays within striking distance.
This attack of a moray eel on a white-tip reef shark is really fascinating. What makes moray eels really efficient predators is the strength, the power, and the design of their jaws. You not only have this very large jaw, but it's armed with sharply pointed teeth that are really well adapted, like a mousetrap to, really clutch animals within its grasp.
The thing you see here is that eels are incredibly powerful predators. It leaves its lair there so it can change where it's biting the shark, because it's got to get the shark head first if it's going to swallow it. Now, while it's doing it, the shark almost gets away, but just as it's trying to swim away, the eel's able to grab it right by the head and then maneuver it so that the head is just inside the eel's mouth. This is where a really cool adaptation takes over. How's it going to swallow that shark? It actually has a second set of jaws in its mouth called the pharyngeal jaws that sit toward the back of the throat. Those can go forward like the alien in Aliens, grab the shark, and pull it back toward its throat so it can start to swallow it.
Despite its size and 2 sets of jaws, this eel has bitten off more than it can chew.
And you have a very messed up shark that was in the stomach of that eel, but white-tip reef sharks can survive and get oxygen while just sitting on the bottom. So it might be able to go find a rock and actually recover from that battle.